guys, now today I'm going to show you how to create a simple third person controller setup in Unity. So I know Unity already has one, like third person controller, but they have like a simple like a constructor guy running around, but you can't really drag and drop in your models. And I've tried to have my own model set up, but it never worked, but until now. So I figured out, let's mess around with Unity. So first thing I'm gonna do, create a new scene, delete everything you else have. Delete your main camera because we won't need that now. So you can let's create like a capsule cylinder, whichever one you want. Well, okay, let's bring this down a little bit to the floor. Okay, let's bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so now you're just gonna drag a character model script that comes with the first person. So just drag the character model to the capsule or your player. Right, so let's leave that there. Character model comes with the character controller. Now it's gonna have the mouse look one that comes with the character. First person character controller sources scripts. Let's bring that, drag that to the capsule. So a person can see, move around. So mouse X, sensitivity for the X is 15, sensitivity for the Y is 0, negative 360, 360. We're gonna have the 0 and 0. And then the most important thing is the FPS input. Okay, so bring that to the capsule because the most important thing. Now double click on the capsule. Next backspace. Double click on the capsule, game object, create camera. So there, so it's right on the camera, right on the player. So let's drag it about, make the X rotation around 20. Drag this up a little bit, like this. Yeah, like that's pretty good. Okay, now let's put the mouse look to here, to the camera. We're gonna make this Y sensitivity is gonna be around 10, 10, 0. Yeah, 360 and negative 16, 1. Okay, so now we can, well, we don't have to rename it. You can rename it if you want. I'll just rename it main camera. Main camera. Okay, so that's the capsule, main camera. We have the character controller, character motor, mouse look, and FPS input. And the main camera with the mouse look script. Parent that to there. Let's test this out. Okay, so you can move around. We can go forward. That's pretty good. Now the thing that this looks like, if you look down here, we can look all the way down to the ground and run around. That's I don't want that. We don't want that. So we're gonna go to the capsule. Sorry, main camera. 360. You can just change it to like 18, 14, 14. Oh, there, minimum Y. Okay, so that's a lot better. So if you look down, it's not there. We don't need to change the X-axis. So yeah, so this is basically it. It's nice and simple. And if you want, like I've seen a lot of the games have it, like if you can create another camera. Okay, no, first let's create a cube. And go like this. Or and I just remember something too. Right here. We don't have the camera, so we can't really see how good this looks. Oops. Just a little point or something so we can see. Let's add a texture to it, so it's not all just. Okay. Yeah. So parent that to the main camera. Yeah. So you can just create another camera to have like, 2 different views if you want. Okay. So because I know lots of first-person games have that. 2 different views. Okay. So we're gonna change the near clippings to 1. Right, and move this back a little. I mean, it's not perfect kind of thing, but okay. So let's parent that to the capsule, right? And we can do camera switching. Right, parent that to the capsule. So camera 1 would be the main camera, and camera 2, the second camera, and this is the last giveaway that I did with this. So yeah, so camera 1, camera 2. So when we go into the game, it's gonna be this camera, and then we press C, it's gonna be here. So lots of, it's kind of funky though, but we gotta fix that. Okay, I think it's because I don't know, maybe this is needs to be parented to this camera. Okay, yeah, that's better. Yeah, so yeah, so cause lots of first-person shooter games, they have two different views in there. So oops, it's going to all the cameras. So yeah, so this tutorial, hope you guys like, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and comment, if you request any tutorials that you want me to do, just comment down below, and I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna call it out.